Hello, I'm Jenny from Easy Chinese. Recently, I have learned a French Caribbean dish. The name is accras, spelled as A-C-C-R-A-S. I think it has a wonderful flavor I would like to share with you today. And first of all, I would like to show you the main ingredients for this dish. Yeah, here's the number one main ingredient, which is salted cod. This is the one gives this dish the flavor actually. It's not easy to find from the normal supermarket, this salted cod. Recently, actually, I went to the biggest inland fish market in London. It's a Billingsgate fish market. I found someone was selling this, so I bought a kilo. But don't think you can use it like this. If you want to cook this dish, at least you need to prepare a day before, because this salted cod need to be soaked into water. What I mean soaked is like you cut the piece, the weight, the portion which you're going to use, and put in a big bowl and cover it, soaked into cold water for at least 24 hours. This is what I have soaked 2 days ago, because after 24 hours, I tasted it still was very salty. So I soaked another day, another 24 hours. Now they are ready. This is about 330 grams. The portion is good for 6 people. So the next main ingredient is the flour. I put here 200 grams of plain flour, and then allspice, about a quarter of teaspoon. If you can find a mix of Caribbean spices, would be better, but I don't have it. I think allspice serves okay also. A bit of ground black pepper. This is the Scotch bonnet chilli, perfect for Caribbean curries or other Caribbean dishes. But this is very hot. I'm just going to cut a quarter of it for the flavor. And then a lime, green lime. I'm going to use the lime skin zest and also half of the lime juice. 2 spring onions and 2 cloves of garlic. Baking powder, I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Because this is a deep fried dish, you're going to use about maybe a liter of frying oil. If you find this salted cod with the skin, it's okay. You can soak these cod with the skin and also boil them with the skin. But before you cut them, you need to remove the skin. But I already removed the skin and I'm going to boil it now. Now the water is boiling. I'm going to just put this cod, because I already cut them in smaller pieces. So I will just boil them from 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah, now I'm going to cut these spring onions and garlic, all these ingredients. Well, by the way, if you like my video, remember to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. And I have many other wonderful recipes, including Chinese dishes and also Chinese culture, and even included how to learn these basic 300 Chinese characters. You can also visit my website, eazzy Chinese.com. After 12 minutes, this cod is good. I'm going to take it out and cool down in cold water. Okay, after rinse in the cold water, I'm going to shred it, this cod. After I chop all these ingredients which need to be shredded or chopped, I'm going to put them aside and then prepare the flour. Allspice powder, a little bit less than quarter teaspoon. Black pepper, about half a teaspoon. Now I'm going to add water. $200 ml of water. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well together again, and then add the cod. Now I'm going to zest the lime a bit. Wow, this flavor is perfect. It gave this authentic Caribbean flavor. Okay, enough. I'm going to then cut it and use the juice later. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of this baking powder. Now I'm going to cut the lime. And I'm going to squeeze this lime juice on top of this baking powder. See, you can see the bubble. This lime juice reacting with the baking powder. Don't overbeat them, just fold them together. Otherwise, you will lose all the air, the bubble, and then your final products won't be crispy. I'm going to heat up the oil now. This oil is hot enough, almost 200 degree. This is 2 spoons together, like this. Operate this, easier and safer. Look, yeah, just push them in the oil slowly. Okay, great. Now you see their color, golden brown, and you can take them out and drain the oil on the paper towel. All right, let's see. Very nice, crispy, not very salty, full of flavor. I'm going to show you how Caribbean people normally how they enjoy the accra. This is the Caribbean rum. Add a bit rum in your cup. A little bit sugar, like 1/4 teaspoon. Little sugar, add in, and this lime. Squeeze a bit lime juice in. Leave it in. Have a bite of the accra. The zip of this rum. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until next time, enjoy your accra.